How to use Ulta rewards and Ultamate points. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To use Ulta rewards and Ultamate points is pretty simple. You can simply open up your Ulta application. Now, if you want to do it in the store, you want to inform the cashier that you wish to use your points before paying and show your rewards card or ID. If you're doing it online, you want to proceed to check out your particular product or order. So for instance, I want to purchase this product. I'll add it to my bag, and once it is on my bag, I'll proceed to checkout and I'll tap on view bag. Now here on view bag option, proceed to checkout. So let me show you. Secure checkout. Then you want to select the option to how do you want to pay, right? So you can select how do you want to pay option, or you can tap on checkout and head into the checkout page here. On the checkout page, you want to find the payment and billing section at checkout and select the redeem Ulta Beauty reward points field. So you'll find after you save in your address here. So save in your shipping address. On the next page, you'll find the option to redeem your Ulta Beauty rewards. There are certain point redemption values. For 100 points, you can get $3 off. For 250 points, you can get $8 off. For 500 points, you can get $7.50 off. And for 750 points, $30 off. Similarly, for 1000 you'll get $50 off, and for 2000 points you'll get $125 off. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.